Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video I will be going to discuss the last collection in Python, which is called dictionaries. So let's get started. Okay, so dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed. Now in Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. So dictionary are often called key value pairs because they have a key which have a value. Okay, so dictionary have a certain way of representation. So let me show you one of them. I would say Mustang, which is a name of car. So curly braces, all right. I'll just type over here. Let's say brand. Let's say okay. Instead of saying Mustang, I would say car. Okay, brand. You can say I have written as Mustang. So we can say that. Okay, so brand is Ford. Okay, all right, and the model is Mustang. The year is I think certain 1967. Okay, so it's 1964 probably. All right, so let me check in this. Yeah, it's 1964. Okay, so I have declared a dictionary over here. All right, so this is a simple dictionary in which I have like the name of the dictionary is car, in which I have a key named brand which have a value called Ford. All right, so this is a key and this is a value. Similarly, this the key name is model which have a value on called Mustang, and third the key name is year and the value is 1964. So if I would print this dictionary over here, like print card, I would say control shift F10. You can see brand Ford, model Mustang and year 1964. All right, so like list we can also like list and tuples we can also access the items in a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. All right, we can access the items in a dictionary by referring its key name inside a square bracket. So let me show you and just uncomment it. All right, so print, I would say let me just declare a unknown variable like x equals car, like square brackets, I would say model, model, model. All right, so I would say print x. So you can see that let me run it. You can see the model is Mustang. So we can access the item in a dictionary by using this kind of representation. All right, so we can also get the value of a key, like we just have a let's say there's another way of representation. So it's called a method. There is also a method called get. So that will give you the same result. That is, if I would just say that y equals car dot get model. All right, so if I would print y, so if I would run it again, you can see again we say gets the Mustang. So these two way of representation are like almost quite similar. So we are using one another method called dot get over here. So basically the functions of the two things are like same, and we can say that the next we can go to the next method as so like okay, so if you want to change values in a dictionary, all right, so you can say that car, all right, year equals say 2020, All right. So if I will say print car again, you can see the year is like let me just print this one too. I'd say the let me just uncomment this one. Say so here we have, so the initial dictionary was brand Ford and model Mustang. The year was 1964 at the present, but the year was changed to 2020 because I have changed the year to 2020 over here by using this syntax. Okay, all right. So in a dictionary, we can also use loops. So because as I have not taught you about loops, so when I will taught you loops, I will just also give you an example how to use loops in a dictionary and also in a set. Okay. All right. So you can so we can also use control flow statements, that is if statements inside a dictionary. So this is like let's say if model, all right, in car, so print yes, model is one of the keys in this dictionary called car. So model is one of the keys and we can say yes, uh, this is one of the keys in the dictionary. All right. So DICT is short from for dictionary. Let's say that shift F10. It's saying that yes, this is one of the keys in the dictionary. So if I would just name as model, let me just say that with two L's, okay. And if I would run it, there will be no output. So if I would just add an else statement, print no, there's nothing like model in the list. All right, so we can say that there's nothing like model in the list. So if I would run it, you can see it will give me output no, there's nothing like model in the, okay, not in the list, the dictionary. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, there's nothing like model in the dictionary. All right. So as we have written, like in my the previous video where I taught about set, we can also calculate the length of our dictionary. All right. So you can say that print len and name of the dictionary, and so to run it, we can say it's 3. There's 3 key. The number of keys are 3. So length of dictionary is also 3. All right. We can even add items to our dictionary. Let me show you how to add it. It's quite simple. We declare a dictionary over here as car, something like key value pairs over here, but we can also add next item, like you can say color, the color of the car, like car color equals red, or you can say black. All right, so now let's say print car. You can see, brand is Ford, model is Mustang. So this was the previous dictionary with only like 3 keys: brand, model, and year. And this dictionary holds 4 keys: brand, model, year, along with color, which have a value black. So with the same method, you can also remove. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. You can use pop to remove an item from dictionary. All right. So let me show you one one example. I would say car dot pop model print car. All right, if it's a shift F10, you can see there's nothing like a car like model over here. So brand Ford, year 2020, and color black. All right, So this was a short video working and how to write a dictionary in Python. Alright, so this was all about the Python collections of which is four types. One is list, tuples, set, and dictionary. All right. So there are some more methods to we can also clear out the contents in a dictionary by using dot clear. You can also delete like I have just used dot pop. You can also use a keyword called del over here to delete one of the items in a dictionary. So that means I would say delete car uh, model. You can say, oh, let me say that it's year, and I would print it car. You can see there is no year over here, like brand Ford and color black. All right. Okay, so this was about Python collections, and this video was particularly based on dictionaries. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.